Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to stop Telegram from automatically downloading photos, videos, and files while you're using mobile data, you're in the right place. Today, you'll learn exactly how to turn off automatic downloads to save data, speed up your phone, and keep things tidy on the app. Let's dive right in. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. This is where you'll take control of what gets downloaded automatically. Once you're inside, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. This is the menu button. Go ahead and tap on it. From the menu that appears, scroll down a bit and tap on Settings. This section is where Telegram stores all the customization options for your account, notifications, privacy, and yes, data usage. Inside the Settings menu, find and tap on Data and Storage. This is the heart of what we're focusing on today. It's where you can manage how Telegram behaves depending on whether you're on mobile data, Wi-Fi, or roaming now. Look for the section labeled Automatic Media Download. You'll see different options based on your connection type. Tap on when using mobile data. You'll notice a list of file types like photos, videos, and other media that Telegram may automatically download. To stop that from happening, simply toggle off the switch for each one. Once you've turned off the toggles, Telegram will no longer download media files on its own while you're using mobile data. You'll still be able to receive files, but they'll only download when you tap on them. This helps reduce unwanted data usage and gives you control over what gets saved to your device. And that's it. You've successfully disabled automatic downloads while using mobile data on Telegram. Make sure to explore the same settings for Wi-Fi and roaming if you'd like even more control. If you found this walkthrough helpful, consider checking out more quick app guides to make your everyday tech experience smoother and more efficient.